Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic in civics, media, and democracy.
And now we are going to see the learning objectives of this lesson. Understand media and its classification. Analyze the role of media in facilitating interaction between the government and citizen. Know the ethic and responsibility of media. Gain a critical sense of the impact of media on people's lives and choices. Traditionally, India has many folk forms of communicating with people in rural areas. It is a collective form of music, dance, speech, storytelling with comic interludes. It has a tremendous effect in communicating the messages straight into the hearts of the people. Modern methods to address small and medium gathering includes seminars, dramas, public meetings and workshops, etc. Now listen carefully. What is media? Every individual person is a medium of expression. An individual interacts through the media to reach other individuals and institutions. Media is generally the agency for interpersonal communication. Now say, what is media? Media is generally the agency for interpersonal communication. Media includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium. Such a medium or media allows to communicate messages, thoughts, ideas, views, etc. And now we are going to see the classification of media. Narrowcast media. It includes cable television, direct mail, and seminar. Broadcast media. It includes films, televisions, and radio. Print media, newspapers, magazine, journals, books, posters, and reports. Web media, Google website and blogs. Social media, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Now say, what are the print media? Newspapers, magazine, journals, books, posters, and reports. What are the web media? Google website and blogs. And what are the broadcast media? Yes, films, television, and radio. What are the social media? Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Yes, good. And the communication is divided into personal communication and mass communication. What are the two communication? Personal communication and mass communication. Now we are going to see what are personal communication. These are meant for personal use like letters, telephone, cell phone, email, and fax. Now say, what are the personal communication? This is meant for personal use like letters, telephone, cell phone, email, and fax. And next, mass communication. These are used for communicating with the masses like newspapers, radio, TV. Collectively, they are termed as media. Now say, what are the mass communication? Yes, mass communication are communicating with the masses like newspapers, radio, TV, etc. Isn't it? And now we are going to see fourth pillar of democracy. The four pillars of democracy are legislature, executive, judiciary, and media. Media ensures the transparency in the working of all the above three systems. So, media ensures the transparency in the working of all the above three systems, that is legislature, executive, and judiciary. Now say, what is the use of fourth pillar of democracy? Yes, the fourth pillar of democracy ensures that all people living in far off areas of country are aware of what's happening in rest of the country. In fact, mass media is the most important vehicle for information, knowledge, and communication in a democratic polity.
Understanding Media. Introduction. Media collectively refers to the radio, TV, newspapers, internet, and several other forms of communication. Everything from a phone call to the evening news on TV can be called media. Since this reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world, they are called mass media. Of these, cable television and the internet have been in use for less than 20 years. Newspapers and magazines are referred as the print media, and TV and radio as the electronic media. To publish means to print news reports, articles, interviews, stories, etc. in newspapers, magazines, and books for a wide audience to read. Any TV or radio program that is widely transmitted is called a broadcast. Media and technology. Newspapers, TV, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. Changing or better and modern technology or machines helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the images seen on TV. Technology also makes life difficult without television. Television has brought the world closer to us, as images travel huge distances to reach people through satellites and cables. Thus, we are able to view news and entertainment channels from different parts of the world. There are strong links between media and technology, and media and big business. Setting the agenda. The media influences our perception of which issues are worth devoting time and attention to, and which issues are to be neglected or overridden. Big business plays a huge role in the media coverage of events. The way a particular news is selected for coverage and the various dimensions of that coverage.
Hope children you would have understand what is media and the personal and mass communication and fourth pillar of democracy. In the next class, we will discuss about importance of media and public opinion.